The ultimate guide to sticking to a healthy lifestyle. First of all, we'll see why it is so hard to stick with a healthy lifestyle. It's not easy to maintain a healthy lifestyle. One of the major difficulties is when you have a craving for something unhealthy and it feels impossible to say no. In this video, I'm going to go over some tips that I have found helpful in sticking with a healthy lifestyle. There are many reasons why people find it hard to stick to their diet and exercise routine. Some people find themselves craving unhealthy foods and find themselves unable to say no when they are presented with them, while others feel like they don't have enough discipline and willpower required to stick with this kind of lifestyle. In this video, we will explore some strategies that you can use to stick with your health routine and get into better shape by making small changes in your day-to-day life without feeling like you're deprived. What are the 5 best tips for sticking to a healthy lifestyle? We all know that a healthy lifestyle is important to stay healthy and live a longer life. But what's the secret to making it all work? Following a strict diet is often easier in theory than in practice. If you find yourself in a period of time when you are tempted to revert back to your old eating habits, here are 3 tips to help you stay on track. 1. Eat a lot of vegetables. Vegetables are packed with nutrients and fiber which will help you feel fuller for longer. This will help you avoid eating unhealthy snacks when you get bored of eating your vegetables. 2. Eat a fewer calories. 2. It's also important to consume fewer calories than you burn. 3. Move more. This means that during the day, aim to stand more than sit, walk more than drive, and climb stairs instead of taking an elevator or escalator. How to develop an eating schedule that works for you. Eating healthy is one of the most important aspects of weight loss. But many struggle with this because it can be difficult to know what to eat and when. This is where an eating schedule app can come in handy. These apps allow you to plan your meals ahead, which will help keep you on track with your diet. While some people find success by having the same meal every day, not everyone is a fan of this approach. The beauty of these apps is that they allow you to customize your schedule for what works best for you and your lifestyle. Conclusion: you can do it. Develop an exercising habit today and stick with it. Do you want to start exercising more but don't know where to start? Do you have a hard time sticking with your exercise routine? Want to get in shape and feel like a new person? The path to achieving these goals is not always easy, but it doesn't have to be difficult. If you're ready for change and committed to making an effort, then this video is for you. I will show you what needs to be done and how it can be done. Exercising is not about looking good, it's about feeling good and becoming healthy and strong. Exercise is one of the most important parts of life. It can help prevent chronic diseases such as diabetes, cancer, and heart disease. Exercise also improves mood and makes you feel happier and more energetic. But the most important part of the exercise is that it's fun. We will look into more healthy habits in our future videos. Thank you for watching.